everyone. For today's assignment, I'm choosing Notebooklm from Google AI Tools, which is also very new and not so well known. So, for opening the Notebooklm, I'm simply going to the web page and web server or Chrome. I'm going to search Notebooklm and my page is going to open for me. Now, as I can see, I can access my past notebooks or documents which I created over here when I scroll down. Now to create a new notebook, I'm going to press here, and now as you can see, we can upload sources to this. Now sources means as LMs solves our problem, but it's not grounded. To solve this problem, Notebook LM is the best feature. Now we can upload sources in the form of PDFs, documents, or maybe even GIFs or JPGs, links to YouTube websites or even Google Drive, or even copied text. The source limit is 50 sources. We can upload up to 50 sources, from where our Notebook LM AI will create everything that is needed to make learning and exploring easier. So now we'll upload two Word files about artificial intelligence, as today our topic for research is artificial intelligence. Now I'm gonna add two PPTs and two Word files to this. Now after PPTs and Words, I also added a YouTube video transcript that is also related to the same topic. So I'm gonna insert all the sources that I need. Now the Notebook LM have created all the glossaries that is needed. Now to access our questions, like suppose I'm gonna ask me formula 2CS. Now it will give me the formula that is available in my source files. Now after it gives me the answer to it, as you can see, I can ask more questions. Now moving on, finally we are moving on from research to output. As you can see the studio panel, there are various artifacts. We are going to use a lot of them today. For example, we can use the quiz one, where it will generate quizzes for me that makes my studying easier. Also, there are various artifacts like flashcards, mind map. Our mind map is rapid and is a visual form of understanding the topics. Students like me likes to have visual animations or something when we are studying, so I can just dive into any topic I want. Suppose I can dive into AI agents, and then more mind maps created to AI agents will be open for me. Now for the quizzes part. Now quizzes are a multiple choice question. As you can see, it will help me understand where I'm standing and improve my lessons more and more after giving practical examination examples. Now the mind blown feature is this audio overbot, that is deep dive, brief, critic, debate. Let's just go for deep dive. Length short and generate. This tool transforms the entire notebook into a podcast style discussion. It's a game changer for information on the go. I can just hear this podcast while running, or anytime I want in my earphones, to help me develop knowledge about artificial intelligence more and more every day. Suppose I am not studying, but I'm helping my mother study, who only knows Hindi or Bengali and not proper English. She can simply switch the languages of the audio overview over here, Hindi, in Bengali, Marathi, etc., etc., as per her needs. Finally, our audio is ready, so we can play this.
Reading about artificial intelligence lately, you've probably seen the terms AI agent, agentic workflows, and
Now, the best part is I can even interact with them on this podcast and ask my set of questions.
If you've spent any time reading about artificial intelligence lately, you've probably seen that, oh, wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hey, I just want to ask how can you just explain AI agents to me in a very simple language?
That is a fantastic question.
Not only that, we can even go for animated videos about these topics over here. It will take some time, but build an animated AI generated videos for you based on your sources, and it's grounded. It's totally grounded. No outside information, only based on your proprietary. Now, as you can see, I have used all these artifacts along with the reports where I can also customize what kind of report I want. Is it a study guide? Is it a personal blog or something else? It will give you options to customize your own type of report. Our report is ready, as you can see. Now moving on to the next artifact, that is flashcards. Now, flashcards are a set of questions based on your sources that will help you develop more knowledge and confidence on your topic. Moving on to infographic, this is an artifact to create a visual poster like with short information for easier understanding for beginners. Now I directed the AI to create a slide presentation outline for a non-technical executive audience. As you can see, it is also ready. Points, key talking points, and a clear call to action. This is a slideshow of the same slide deck that is created. I have shared the complete slide deck PDF and the link to the full audio overview and all the other artifacts in the group chat as requested. Now the last but not the least, that is the video overview will might take some time, but it's an animated version that the AI created for me to understand all these sources in a very easy visual manner. Now, Notebooklm creates a synthesized audio discussion or audio overview from your private files, while Perplexity Pro primarily offers text to speech to read its real time web search reports. Also, tools like 11 Labs Gen FM app offers similar AI generated podcast style summaries from user provided source material. My research confirms that Notebooklm excels as a specialized, grounded knowledge synthesizer, making it the ideal tool for converting proprietary research into professional shareable assets. Thank you so much. My name is Oindrala. I am a final year PCA student from KIIT University, Bhubaneswar. So finally our video animation is also ready.
So I'm sure you've been hearing this term AI agent popping up everywhere lately. It's being talked about as this power to work right alongside us. All right, so let's